Hello guys, this is the Dodge Charger 2015 edition. This is what I have right now. It's a bit in like really bad shape. It's a Dodge Charger Pursuit. It has lots of damage to it. You can kind of see the decals or whatever used to be on it. Badge number and all that. Has some surface rust, which I will be getting fixed too. Right here, here's a little reflector. I need new tires. As you can tell, they're very bald. Might need to replace this in the future. Spit rode off. I'm gonna need an engine cover, one of those things right there. I'm gonna need a hood, which I am getting. I bought one for $800 SRT hood plus bumper or nose piece, whatever you want to call it. Both white, but I will be getting them painted along with the front end. Over here I have some reflectors still, and this is the only downside is this has a little scuff here, and on top of the scuff we have a dent on this door. You can't see it because of the lighting, but also the door is locked, so the only way that you could unlock it is by this right here. But pressing that, it unlocks the door. Seats are basically mint. Still police equipment, police stuff in here. Windows aren't cracked, thank God. Door's still shut like a glove, I guess. And yeah, it's overall a really nice car. Missing a few parts, that's unfortunate, but that's what the channel is going to be about, is repairing the rig. I personally enjoyed these cars a lot. Really nice look, and they give you that 69 Charger vibe from the, gave you that Charger vibe. Little hole here, filled up with silicone, I believe. It has a dent, as you guys can see. Dent up here. We'll be using some Bond or something, or a little something to at least plug the hole. A little cap here, maybe a puck. I don't want to go for the police interceptor look, even though this is a Pursuit. I'm going to try to go for the SRT look by refurbishing it all, basically, because it is in pretty rough shape. Oh, I forgot to mention this part right here. I'm going to get this replaced. This is where the spotlight used to be. Might re-add a spotlight in the future if I do decide to go for that Pursuit thingy. As you can tell, there's a hole for this, for the spotlight. Everything's basically there, the whole setup. And overall, nice car. So this is the first video, the walk around, I'd say. And after we do the walk around, my next video should be ordering the headlights or installing the hood or the bumper. Bumper and hood will be separate videos. I hope you guys enjoy. Charles Max, signing out.